Instagram templates are a quick and easy way to create Instagram Reels. But instead of having to search for somebody else's template, you could just create your own and use your own Instagram Reel templates for your Reels. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create your own Instagram Reel template.
Hi, I'm Wonderful Ida, an educational video producer based in Vancouver, Canada.
The only way to make an Instagram Reels template is to create a reel within your Instagram Reels app. So you just go into your Instagram Reel and you're going to go plus, reel, and then I suggest you start by a song, because if you use a song, then people are more likely to want to use your template, or it's going to be easier for you to reuse your template because it's already going to have a melody to it. You don't have to match audio to it as much, and you can just add clips to it. So I'm going to go into my music tab, so it's the top button in the side menu, and I am going to pick a song. So let's say this song. There we go. And then you're going to add your clips within Instagram Reels. So to add a clip, you're just going to swipe up. So here is a reel that I edited outside of Instagram Reels, but I'm going to edit it in here so that I can save it as a template. I'm going to click on that. There we go. So I have that first part. You're going to want to add multiple clips, because if you don't add multiple clips, then it's not going to allow you to make it into a template, because it's just going to be one video clip. So I'm going to swipe up again, and I'm going to want it to change here. You also want to make sure that when you're editing your reel, that it's going to the beat of the music, because if your reel's not matching the beat of the music, it's going to look off and others aren't going to want to use your template, or you're probably not going to want to reuse that template. So I encourage you to take the time to really time it to make sure that it matches with the music. So we can go to next. So you can see that already goes with it. And I'm just going to add more clips. So I'm just going to swipe up. So I have a few clips, they're added. I'm making sure that the clips are going to the music, and then I have multiple clips that I can use, because if it's just one, it's not going to work. There we go. And then I'm just going to go next. Here I can edit my cover, I can add different things, but let's share this and just show you how it's going to use it as a template. So I'm just going to click share. And then I'm going to go home. When you go home, you can see the posting, the process of it posting. There you go, it's posted. And so if I click on this reel, here on the bottom, it has use template. So now you can use the template for this reel. So you can just press use template, and then you can create a new reel with that. And then to make that reel, you just click on that first black one, and then you can add the amount of clips that are needed. So this one needs 4 clips, so I can add 4 different clips, and then I have a new reel created from my own Instagram reel. Say I posted this, but I don't want it to post just yet. I want to post it later. What I can do is I can go to delete, and I can move it to my drafts. Now let's go over to my drafts. So it's in the Instagram Reel tabs, and click on drafts, and then I can click on it and go down to my advanced settings and schedule this reel. This is going to allow me to schedule this for whenever I want that to schedule, and I can post it that way. Do you want to get started with Instagram Reels but feel overwhelmed when it comes to gear and coming up with reel ideas? Well, I've got a special treat for you. I created a free Reels blueprint so you can create your next 10 Reels within 5 minutes. Follow the link below to download your free blueprint now.